Let's do it.
All right, here we got some cap and ball double pistol sets. This particular one, J Beetle, apparently. Interesting. 1847 to 1879. Maker of double guns or dueling pistols, and these are 52 caliber. Here we got a little set of 46 caliber. These are Belgium. Pretty neat little double set there. Pocket pistols. And got another set over here of Belgium. They're in 46 caliber as well. Very similar design. And here we got an EW Bond set of 58 caliber dueling pistols, and they're cap and ball as well, percussion cap. This would be an England set. They're 57 caliber, it's saying here. That's interesting. Also percussion cap. Here's another little Belgium set of 47 caliber. Interesting. Now here's a massive set, 67 caliber, John Dickinson and Son, Scotland. I'm telling you what, some massive dueling pistols there. 67 caliber, and they're showing up big ones too. Well, here we got, a bigger set size-wise, but they're only 25 caliber, using the Pritchard lock. Interesting dueling set there. And this set here is the only flintlock that I've seen. They're in 65 caliber. And then another set here from Forsyth and Company. Dueling set. 49 caliber on those. And there are your dueling pistol setups.
Before you leave, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification as well. If you like a more interactive experience, be sure to check out one of our 3 weekly live shows. And finally, if you like what we're doing here on CloverTac and you want to help support the channel, you can do that over on CloverTac.com or by going to patreon.com/CloverTac.